How to make boomerang on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a boomerang on Snapchat. So to do that, first of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now let me simply show you a demo on how you can create a boomerang on your Snapchat. So all you have to do is simply let me take my phone and then switch to back camera. Now in order to take a boomerang, first of all record a video. So let me do that real quick. Now once you've recorded a video, as you can see, this is the video right over here. Now in order to make this a boomerang, what you'll have to do is simply tap on this loop icon right over here and then keep tapping it until you see the option bounce. Now in Instagram we used to call it boomerang, but in Snapchat we call it bounce. So all you have to do is simply tap on the loop icon until you see the option bounce, and then that was basically how you create a boomerang on Snapchat. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.